Hello and welcome to the State of Grace, a moment of quiet contemplation for your day. When you really see the profound beauty of the world around you, a deep peace settles into your soul. This is an invitation to make the time to connect with nature and to find that moment of wonder. How do we do this? Our lives are so busy moving from one moment to the next with so many things that we need to do. It all starts with a commitment to connect with nature. This can be in a forest or at a beach, on the shore of a lake or hiking up a mountain. It can even be in a park or in a garden. It doesn't matter where, as long as you can find a quiet spot where you can connect with the natural world that is all around you. If possible, spend time alone in this sacred space. Indulge your senses. Walk barefoot in the squishy grass or feel the cool river water flow over your toes. Stand under the branches of a tall tree and feel its majesty. Listen to the rustle of the leaves in the breeze and enjoy the birds singing all around you. Notice the perfectly beautiful details. Revel in the wonder. Breathe in these magical moments. Understand that all of this is as much a part of you as you are a part of it. Let the wonder of that thought settle into the middle of you. Wishing you all a beautiful day. Namaste.